Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to make a seafood boil. So we bought everything that we needed right here, and Alex is right here.
Hello.
So right now we are already like ahead of the things already. We are making the lobsters right here. So Alex, can you explain what you did exactly here?
I put this on it. It's the crumble.
Okay.
And breadcrumbs, I guess. And then I melt the butter and I mix with
some garlic. I think this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Focus. Okay, no focus. Anyways, that's some regular
and
garlic.
you add some spicy on it. You can add cheese if you want. And you put in the oven after.
Okay, and here he's adding some pepper and some salt. So that's gonna taste really good. And to go with our seafood bowl, like what we decided to do is that we're gonna add some crab. Here you have it. We're gonna add some oysters, some shrimps, some tiger shrimps. If you never taste these are very good. Like, these are my favorite shrimp ever. And some sweet corn. So we're gonna start by doing the
maïs, faut le cuire aussi.
Yes. Yes.
So,
yeah. So there's the potatoes that I mixed with some oil and some spice. They are going to go right now in the oven. And we added also some sushis because we want to add some sushis. And in a few minutes I'll show you the mix that I'm gonna make, like the sausage that goes with the seafood boil. I don't know what you normally put inside, but I will try to maybe make something. I'll see. So anyways, so for now we're gonna put the potatoes here. We're gonna cook the sweet corn. And well, so we are taking off the skin of the corn. I never done that, you know. I don't even eat corn like that. Alex? Almost never. I remember my mom, she likes to eat it sometimes, but I don't know. Me and my brother, I don't think we are a big fan. But I remember once we ate this at your uncle's house. It was nice. I liked it. So yeah, now we are getting the water ready.
Maybe we should cut it right now.
Cut what?
The corn.
In slice? Yeah, that's a good idea. Look at our kitchen. This one, I don't know what it is doing there, but that's Alex sugar
pie.
Cream pie, yeah. And this is waiting to be cooked. And here, that's our presentation plate and the corns. And right now the corns are going in the hot water. So we're gonna leave them for how long?
I don't know, maybe 5 minutes.
Around 5 minutes. Now we can start cooking the shrimps. Yes, we can leave it here. Let's put a little bit of oil. That's a little bit, yeah, that's okay for what we have. Okay, so now we're gonna be cooking the shrimp right here. We put some little bit of olive oil and
maybe salt.
Some salt. And after that I'm gonna be making the seafood boil sauce over here. So yeah, our shrimps are cooking. the onion inside of the butter.
So now she's adding some pepper.
That's about enough.
Did you put the cayenne pepper?
Yeah, in a few seconds. Wait. I'm gonna start with the chili.
Okay,
Some chili powder. Like just a little bit.
And some of this
Some cayenne
pepper.
pepper.
Okay.
I think I should add some.
Sriracha. Okay.
And then a little bit of citrus. And then some sriracha. Hope that's enough citrus. I think you're gonna add some more.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna taste that. And here's the final result, guys. This is our own seafood boil, the one we made by ourselves, and it looks pretty delicious. This is the one we made for our mukbang. And yeah, so leave in the comment down below what you would have done in another way, or what you will have added here. Here's the sausage, but it looks very good. So yeah, let me know how you make your seafood bowl, and we will see you guys on another video.